So I want to spend a little bit of time talking about our UV, which is ultraviolet light sanitation system. And we use the Paramount Ultra UV for most of our projects. Our UV systems contain ultraviolet germicidal lamps that expose your pool water containing harmful bacteria, viruses, algae spores, pathogens, and microorganisms to a high-intensity light that basically destroys them. With chlorine essentially doing the same thing, this is a great way to reduce chlorine needs in your swimming pool. So typically after 2 to 3 years, you'll notice one day that this light right here will go out. And that really means the UV lamps inside are bad and they need replaced. So give us a call. Our service techs are trained to quickly and efficiently replace the lamps and the ballast inside if needed. For those do-it-yourselves, here's a quick tutorial on how to get this done. First, disconnect from power. Make sure this light is not working. Next, you're going to remove the cap. And then you have access to these lamps inside. And actually, if you look right here, this lamp is bad, you can tell. This lamp is good. You'll just simply disconnect these, pull these lamps out, and put in new lamps. Occasionally this ballast will go bad. It does not feed the voltage to the lamps, and this can be replaced. And one more working part is this flow switch that senses water and pressure within the unit. That typically doesn't go bad, but this is a pretty easy do-it-yourself.